Riley, come on. Riley, come on. It's Riley's first snow. Oh, Frankie. Come on. Riley.
Okay, I'm going back to work. Check it out. I'm going back to work.
Okay. Let's see what he does. Here's Frankie. Oh, she likes the snow. Look at, there he is. What'd you think, Rye? He's getting all snowy. Oh.
Yeah, fun, huh, Frank?
She's so cute.
Yay! He's like, wait a minute. He started sniffing and he sniffed it up. Just go.
That's so cute.